Well, my beautiful readers, the poet's audience, Sky Hunter is here. Well, guys, somehow last time, when I approach a message for all of us, full moon, okay, exaltation, it's going to happen, but it is what it is. I kind of figure out that I kind of was in a different space, and that space don't belong to me, so I'm kind of confused. Is a full moon releasing because that's going to be so hectic, or it's just another lesson that we need to learn to wave and flow? I don't know, but somehow was weird, guys. But anyway, hasta la vista, baby, and see you very soon. And of course, P.S.